The cryptocurrency market is on a beautiful rebound today, and you guys can read through all of the headlines here and see just how well crypto is doing, but I want to focus on Ethereum for a second. We've got Ethereum ETFs that are out there trading right now, and I am telling you the opportunity to buy Ethereum tokens is now. We're going to be talking about one of the top Ethereum tokens that is just coming out. It is brand new, and it is potentially going to show you some of the largest gains in the cryptocurrency space. But first, we got to go through these headlines, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, we've got a news for cryptocurrency on the screen right now, and it is good news, good news, good news, good news, good news, good news, good. My goodness, it is good news. You scroll through here, and you can see all of this. Are you ready? Elon Musk feigning wild rumors that Donald Trump could create a U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve. Oh my gosh, dude. Game over. Game over. Cryptocurrency wins if that happens right there. So you've got a lot of political talk about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, strategic reserves, and so on right now. But let's focus on Ethereum for just a second. Ethereum ETFs approved by the SEC, bringing popular funds to the second largest cryptocurrency. Spot Ethereum ETFs post $107 million net inflows on the very first day of trading. Now, you've got Ethereum ETFs coming out and Mt. Gox moving some of their Bitcoin there. And US spot Ethereum ETFs make market debut and another win for the cryptocurrency market industry. Ethereum could do very, very similar to what Bitcoin has been doing over the last 6 months. Rising in value and seeing massive net inflows based on new investors, retail investors, and institutional investors coming into the cryptocurrency space. Now, let's think about this for a second, okay? What is going to be happening here is that as all of these net inflows continue to occur, it means that the liquidity pools for Ethereum are growing. Money is flowing into Ethereum. $107 million in essentially cash, okay, or worth. I mean, it's not all cash, but in dollars flowed into Ethereum yesterday. Over the last 24 hours on the first day of trading there. Ethereum's growing in price, right? And as Ethereum grows in price, all of the Ethereum tokens that are denominated in Ethereum will grow as well. If you guys don't necessarily understand how liquidity pools work, I'm going to use WienerDog AI as an example here because I believe that this could be one of the most beneficial Ethereum tokens that we have seen in a very long time. As Ethereum grows in price, because WienerDog AI is an Ethereum token and its liquidity pool is denominated in Ethereum, when you translate that to US dollars, the more Ethereum is worth, the more WienerDog AI is going to be worth, and the more it's going to be worth on an exponential basis, because of course every single time a market cap is an exponential factor of the liquidity pool, the more money you put into that liquidity pool, the higher the value of the token is. Now, let me try to break that down a little bit simpler. When Ethereum rises in price, WienerDog AI rises in price at a faster pace. If Ethereum goes up 10%, WienerDog AI, all other factors held steady, should rise 10+%. Now, it might rise by 20, 30, 40, 50. I don't know exactly what the multiple is going to be, but it will rise at a faster pace than Ethereum. And if we're gearing up for 6 months of Ethereum increase like we have just witnessed for Bitcoin, all of these little Ethereum tokens are going to blow your mind. Now, guys, WienerDog AI launches in 6 days, or the pre-sale ends in 6 days. I don't know exactly what day it's going to launch. The pre-sale ends in 6 days and 18 hours. If you guys click that link in the description or the pinned comment below, click Connect Wallet, I scan my QR code here from Wallet Connect and launch up to the website, and then simply determine how much you want to buy. If you guys want to grab 5 Ethereum worth, you're going to be walking away with 23 million plus WienerDog AI. Now, I'm going to let you guys do the math on how much money you're going to have if it gets to a cent, 5 cents, and so on. Because I don't exactly know how much I don't know exactly how much WienerDog AI you're going to go out there and buy. But what I do know is that if we see a situation where Ethereum continues to rise at the same or exceeding pace that Bitcoin has risen over the last 6 months, over the last year, you are going to see phenomenal gains in these little tokens. Sure, They are higher risk than going out there and buying Ethereum itself. When you're talking about a token that's going to have roughly $700,000 to $800,000 put into the liquidity pool, small inflows are going to create huge increases in price. And small inflows creating huge inflows in price are going to cause this token to trend. And if WienerDog AI launches at a time when the fear to greed index is showing greed and investors are out there buying the riskier assets, if WienerDog AI launches at a time when Ethereum is soaring in value because of ETFs, if WienerDog AI launches at a time when the United States is literally talking about cryptocurrency strategic reserves, this could be one of the greatest launches that the cryptocurrency space has seen. I've bought into WienerDog AI. That does not mean that you buy into WienerDog AI. You are smart. You can make your own decisions. I see the value here. I see the risk to reward ratio, and I understand that if I want to make a lot of money, I have to take a lot of risk. That's what I've done with WienerDog AI. I'm anticipating something very, very big and very exciting. I want to know if you guys are buying. I'm actually going to be buying a little bit more in the next few days here as this timer continues to tick down. I'm going to be adding a little bit more WienerDog AI to my portfolio. I want to know what you guys are doing. Let me know down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.